Now we are going to see how to extract tables from PDFs. So I have this PDF and I want to extract this table over here. Alright, so let's go to the code interpreter and then we will upload our PDF file. Alright, and then I'll say extract the tables from this PDF. Okay, it attempts to extract the tables. Okay, it is working. It generates the Python code. Okay, so it says that it's trying to use the library called tabular, but which is not available in the environment. Okay, but it tells us that we can actually run this command on our own on our local machine. Okay, and then it but let's say I can further follow up. Is there other libraries you can use to extract the tables? Alright, so it says yes, there's another library we can use called the PDF plumber. Okay, although the PDF plumber is not as advanced as tabular, but it can handle simple tables effectively. Okay, so it says I was able to extract one table from the PDF file. And here's a preview of the table. Yes, which is what we want actually. Alright, so if we compare, for example, the first one, 2012_2, and yes, that's what we get. Alright, I think we have managed to extract the table. Alright, okay. Yes. So would you like to save this table as a CSV file? I say yes. Alright, so you see, even though we might not know the exact libraries to use in code interpreter, the code interpreter can actually give us the options. So we can just ask it, what libraries do you have that I can use? Right? And some we have to copy the code and paste it into an external or our own machine to run it. But if we do not want, we can just try other libraries that are available in the environment itself. Right? So it tells us that the PDF have been saved as a CSV file. I can download this. Alright, and if I click on the CSV file, yes, I actually get the table looking nicely in the CSV file. Alright, so this is how we can extract tables from PDFs.